Firstly, I would like to say that I would never wish my schedule to be forced upon someone else because I have a terrible schedule. Because I'm always jumping on call on different opportunities. Like I may be just getting a phone call right now that okay, there is this competition being held in 2 hours. Are you ready for it? It's actually one of the ways that I got my publication published in NASA Caltech Sargon workshop at the age of 14. So I can say my timetable, my schedule is it is restricted because it has to be after 10 school, but it also has a lot of flexibility into it. For example, if I would have to just tell you about a typical day in my life, it would be like once I step into my school, I cram up everything in those hours that I'm in school. Maybe my homework. I don't mind doing my extra homework in school, or maybe revising while lunchtime. Um, just multitasking, getting work done. I even though I find it exhilarating, it's something I enjoy. Multitasking and being able to do different stuffs together, because then I have more time for the things I love to do. Because yes, school is important and I cannot get to my final destination without completing my school studies. But I cannot undermine how much effort I have to give it to my teachers, the work I have to be submitting, and all. So, yes, some days are more stressful than others, and I'm not able to cram up all my schoolwork in those 8 hours I'm in school. But once I come back after an hour or two of break time where I just freshen up, eat something, play some music, chat with my family, my cousins, my brothers, then I get back to work. And that may go on for late nights, late mornings. Here, I would like to also thank um, a person that came into my life after COVID. She's Christine. She is my health coach, which I found online. She is also a second year university student, and she dedicates 1 or 2 hours every Sunday to help me evaluate and reflect how much I've given time to myself, my work, my studies, and if sometimes I forget to, I can say, value the me time, which I believe is important, that there needs to be a time for self reflection. She corrects me on those points. She is also a student, but I believe what she is doing, how she's scheduling and helping me schedule my week structure is something that is helping me manage my time. And it's always a trial and error process. It's not like, okay, this is the way it can be done. For every person, it's different, and everyone has a very different approach to it. For me, I require it to be flexible because I may never know. I may again get such a call saying that, yeah, the abstract has been selected. We have to write a full day's research paper and post it ready by 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. I'm off for it. And